Egypt has a unique geographical location, with coastlines that stretch across the Mediterranean and Red Sea. Its islands are also home to prime diving spots and popular marine sport locations, which position them as attractive tourist destinations. Currently, Egypt has 23 yacht marinas and berths, including Sharm El-Sheikh's Naama Bay Marina, Taba Heights Marina, which can accommodate up to 50 yachts and provide them with maintenance services as well, El-Gouna's Abu Tig Marina, and the Hurghada Marina, which can accommodate 188 yachts at a time. There is also the North Coast's Porto Marina, which is the first international yacht marina in eastern North Africa and can accommodate over 1.4 thousand yachts, and Marassi Marina, the latest addition, which can accommodate over 260 yachts. The state is working to build more marinas, including an international port in New Alamein. Egypt also plans on establishing its first yacht green marina powered by renewable energy, planned on an area of 25,000 square meters, with the capacity to accommodate 65 yachts. Osama Rabi, chairperson of the Suez Canal Authority, explained that there are 3 yacht marinas in the course of the canal, including Port Said, Ismailia, and Suez. In order to make it easier for foreign tourists, Egypt has decided to grant foreign yacht tourists 3-month visas, as opposed to the previous 1-month allowance. Through the yacht single window, foreign yachts can apply for and receive their visas within 30 minutes, with fees paid in US dollars. Yachts can also now enjoy the flexibility to leave Egypt from any tourist port, not only the port where they first arrive as was the rule under the previous system,